There was a boy, a very strange and enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far over land and sea. A little shy and satisfied, but very wise was he. And then one day, a magic day, he passed my way. Wow, he spoke so many things, fools and kings. This he said to me: the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. There was a boy, a very strange and enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far over land and sea. You'll ever learn that's just to love and be loved in return.